noises this year.
Yeah, every day.
I think we can safely say that raw fans will be in for a lot of FUWAMOCO noises this year. Especially in the beginning of the year, right? Ah. We weren't recording more noises the other day, were we, Moco-chan? No.
Just saying. I feel like all the voice pads every time I go to record one, there's like, oh, Mococo sneezes here. I cannot sneeze on command. Hi. I can't do that.
Yeah, you want them to be authentic, right?
Yes, I'm not going to be It's not a sneeze.
No.
Huh? It's just a recreation of what a sneeze could be like.
Yeah.
Huh? You only want true sneezes? Yeah. See, I'm sure I have it recorded somewhere, but I can't find it.